What is my girlfriend?
She's face.
Shit face. Fart face.
Shit face, fart face.
I must translate that for you guys. It has been noticed that when Nini is just sitting there relaxing, she has what we would commonly call a resting bitch face. But she grew up with her dad saying she has a fart face. or a shit face.
Shit face.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Show me a shit face. What's it look like?
No. No.
No, there you go. That's it.
No.
That's it. Hey guys, just got the car down for a much needed wash after our trip up north to Vientiane and that, where we got it absolutely filthy. Got Rado up on the hoist now, they're cleaning the undercarriage. This is all they do in here, just clean cars. Check out this Toyota. Never seen a Toyota like it. What is it? 5.7 litre V8 Toyota Tundra. Yeah, I can see myself in one of them. Anyway, I was just talking to Nina. I asked her how long these guys usually take and what's it cost. These guys will do the undercarriage, the outside, give it a polish, the interior, vacuum it, or full work over, and it sets her back. There's some cars finished now. Anyway, it sets her back a whole 35,000 kip. In English, that's less than $5 US. About $4, $4.50. Who in their right mind would wash their own car? Now, cars this big, they're absolutely filthy, and they do a hell of a job. We just sit in there in an air-conditioned office watching TV, sipping our latte while they're out here washing the cars in the heat. What a bargain. How do these guys make money? These guys must work for next to nothing. But yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. I couldn't believe it, 35,000 kip. Nice Hilux there. There they are. They're over there with an air compressor blowing all the dirt out of the rubber mats in the car. Got all the gear. Look at that shiny bonnet. Rado's all happy, nice and clean. A guy just came round on a scooter selling ice cream out the back of a little ice box on his scooter. Nini calls it Lao National Ice Cream. It's just blocks of coconut ice cream with a little skewer in a little stick, which melts quicker than what you can eat them. So suffered from massive ice cream headaches trying to wolf it down. Woo! Monk in a tuk-tuk. That's what that was.